Moprobo versus traditional wet-dry vacuum. Banana peel. Eggs in the shell. Tangled wet hair. Kanji and rice paste mix. Scattered millet. First up is the traditional wet-dry vacuum. The cleaning process is complete, but there are still many residues left on the floor. Look at the residual stains here. There are still eggshells left uncleaned at the bottom of the machine. The roller brush still has tangled hair on it. The next contestant, Moprobo, is on the stage. Big and small garbage easily go through. Take a look at the road you just walked. There is no residue at the bottom of the machine. After cleaning, start cleaning the machine. Open the top cover. Remove the roller. So dirty. Residual eggshell. After opening the sewage tank, look at this outlet. Stains are difficult to clean up. Take apart the filter. Look at the sewage tank. Wet and dry separation is not done. Garbage is mixed together. Then look at the Moprobo washing machine. Remove the upper cover. See the hair collected on the magic wand. The tracks are clean. No hair or stains left. There are signs here that can flush. Open the dirty water tank. Wet and dry separation design. Simple maintenance. Traditional washing machines use a scraper to scrape off tangled hair. Must be cleaned by hand. The Moprobo magic wand collects all the hair. Just throw it in the trash and change new ones. The Omi belts are clean. Does not manual maintenance. Let's go clean the dirty water tank. There are a lot of parts in the dirty water tank of the traditional washing machine. If the filter is not cleaned in time, there will be molding. Rinse this. The electrode pads on the upper cover need to be wiped with a tissue. Otherwise, it will rust. There is no wet and dry separation in the dirty water tank. Dry and wet garbage are mixed together. Needs to be rinsed repeatedly to get clean. Some of the hair went to the sewage tank. The bottom hole is also dirty, difficult to clean thoroughly. Finally cleaned. Then clean up Moprobo. Wet and dry separation. Taking out the trash is easy. The neat rectangular shape makes it easy to rinse. Residual dirt can be easily wiped away. Moprobo, powerful suction, easy maintenance.